Every dream home starts with a blank wall full of possibilities, but choosing the right materials can feel overwhelming. That's where Faji's Accent Walls comes in. We take your before wall and bring your inspiration to life. From custom shiplap fireplace bump outs to handcrafted mantles and seamless electric fireplace installs, our team handles it all. The result is a warm, modern centerpiece that transforms your living room into a place you'll love coming home to. Ready to elevate your space? Like, share, and subscribe to see more transformations from Faji's Accent Walls.